Oh, now, 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 now. Doo-doo. Ain't I blue?
Almost heaven, West Virginia. Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, it's older than the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing like a breeze. Country roads, take me home to the place where I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Down country roads, take me home. Down country roads.
Down country roads.
Okay, here. I never meant to cause you any sorrow. I never meant to cause you any pain.
Tell me about it, baby.
Only wanted one time to see you laughing.
You mean like this?
I only wanted to see you laughing in the purple rain.
Okay.
Take two.
Take two.
Okay, BOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO.
And welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am NANABOOZHOO. This is the lovely and the talented Natasha. Ikuton BOOZHOO ni Winnie Mushane. Say hello, my sweetheart.
Hello, my sweetheart.
And today, our Ojibwe word of the day, Dugwagon. Dugwagon. Autumn. Dugwagon. It's autumn time.
Yeah, it sure is.
And you know, this moon is also known as the Benakwe Jesus.
Benakwe
Yeah,
Jesus.
Benakwe Jesus. Leaves falling moon. So in the spirit of the day, here's a song. To, I don't know, commemorate autumn? Yeah.
Is that what we're
This is by
doing?
Pink Floyd.
All right.
Floating down through the clouds, memories come rushing up to meet me now. But in the space between the heavens and the corner of a foreign field, I had a dream. Goodbye, Max. Goodbye, Mom. After the service, when you're walking slowly to the car, and the silver in her hair shines in the cold November air, hear the tolling bell and touch the silk of her lapel. And as the teardrops rise to meet the comfort of the band, you take her frail hand and hold on to the dream. Place to stay, enough to eat. Somewhere old heroes shuffle safely down the street, where you can speak out loud about your doubts and fears. What's more, no one ever disappears. You never hear their standard issue kicking in your door. You can relax on both sides of the tracks, and maniacs don't blow holes in bandsmen by remote control. And everyone has recourse to the law, and no one kills the children anymore. No one kills the children anymore. Night after night, going round and around my brain, this dream is driving me insane. In the corner of a foreign field, a gunner sleeps tonight. What's done is done. We cannot just write off this final scene. Take heed of his dream.
Take heed of his dream.
Ho, miigwech bizendawieg. Thank you for listening. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minowa. Hoa.
Oh!